Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly grow their wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer often lies in a mysterious place called the stock market. For many young adults, investing in stocks may seem like a daunting task reserved for the wealthy and experienced. But what if I told you that unlocking the secrets of the stock market is easier than you might think? In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of investing and show you how even the most novice investor can navigate the market with confidence. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the valuable insights we'll uncover by the end of this journey. In a world where student loan debt is skyrocketing and job security is never guaranteed, finding ways to grow your wealth has never been more important. While saving money in a traditional bank account may offer a sense of safety, the reality is that low interest rates often struggle to keep pace with inflation. That's where the stock market comes in. By investing in stocks, you have the potential to earn significantly higher returns and build a stronger financial foundation for your future. But what exactly is the stock market, and how can you make it work for you? To answer that question, let's dive into the basics of stocks and explore the role they play in creating a powerful investment portfolio. At its core, a stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially purchasing a small piece of that company known as a share. The more shares you own, the greater your ownership stake in the company. This means that as the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your investment. So, why do companies sell stocks in the first place? The answer is simple: to raise money. When a company decides to go public, they offer shares of their business to investors through an initial public offering, IPO. This process allows the company to generate significant capital that can be used to fund operations, expand into new markets, or pursue exciting opportunities for growth. By investing in a company's stock, you're not only helping to support their vision, but also positioning yourself to share in their success. Now that we understand the basic concept of stocks, you might be wondering how the stock market actually works. The stock market is essentially a vast global marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you hear people talk about the stock market going up or down, they're referring to the collective value of all the stocks being traded at any given time. One of the most fascinating aspects of the stock market is the way that stock prices are determined. And believe it or not, it all comes down to two simple forces: supply and demand. When more people want to buy a particular stock than sell it, the price of that stock goes up. This is because there is more demand for the stock than there is available supply. On the other hand, when more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price goes down. This basic principle of supply and demand is what drives the constant fluctuation of stock prices on the market. Before we continue, if you're finding this information valuable, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights on mastering the stock market. So, now that we know how stock prices are determined, you might be wondering, why do people invest in the stock market in the first place? The answer is simple: to make money. By investing in stocks that increase in value over time, you have the potential to earn significant returns on your initial investment. Of course, investing in the stock market does come with some level of risk. Not every stock will be a winner, and there's always the possibility of losing money in the short term. However, history has shown that over the long term, the stock market has consistently delivered strong returns for patient, disciplined investors. So, how can you get started with investing in the stock market? The first step is to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is essentially a special type of financial account that allows you to buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other investments. There are many different brokerage firms to choose from, each with their own unique features and benefits. Some popular options include Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. Once you've opened your brokerage account, the next step is to start researching potential investments. And this is where things can start to feel a bit overwhelming for new investors. With thousands of stocks to choose from, it can be tough to know where to start. One helpful approach is to focus on companies that you already know and understand. For example, if you're a fan of Apple products, you might consider investing in Apple stock. By investing in companies that you're familiar with, you'll have a better understanding of their business model and growth potential. Another important factor to consider when researching stocks is the company's financial health. One key metric to look at is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's stock price to its earnings per share and can give you a sense of whether the stock is overvalued or undervalued compared to its peers. Generally speaking, a lower P/E ratio may indicate that a stock is undervalued and has room for growth, while a higher P/E ratio may suggest that a stock is overvalued and could be due for a correction. Of course, the P/E ratio is just one of many factors to consider when evaluating a stock. Other important metrics include the company's revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels. By taking a holistic view of a company's financial health, you'll be better equipped to make informed investment decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. And remember, investing in the stock market is a long-term game. Don't get too caught up in short-term fluctuations or try to time the market. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio of high-quality stocks and holding them for the long haul. As we begin to wrap up, you won't want to miss the final tips I have to share. These insights could be the key to unlocking your full potential as an investor and achieving your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. One of the biggest mistakes that new investors make is trying to go it alone. The reality is that investing in the stock market can be complex and confusing, especially when you're just starting out. That's why it's so important to seek out guidance and support from experienced investors and financial professionals. One great way to do this is by joining an investment club or attending investing workshops and seminars. These resources can provide valuable insights and strategies for navigating the market, as well as a supportive community of like-minded investors to learn from and grow with. Another important tip for success in the stock market is to stay informed and up to date on the latest market trends and news. This means reading financial publications, following industry leaders on social media, and staying attuned to the broader economic landscape. By staying informed and engaged, you'll be better positioned to make smart, timely investment decisions and adapt to changing market conditions. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful way to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. But it's important to approach it with a clear strategy, a willingness to learn, and a long-term perspective. By understanding the basics of how the market works, researching potential investments carefully, and seeking out guidance and support from experienced professionals, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and achieve your financial goals. So, what's holding you back from taking control of your financial destiny? With the right knowledge, tools, and mindset, anyone can become a successful investor and build the life of their dreams. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment sharing your biggest takeaway, and subscribe to the channel for more content designed to help you become a smarter, more confident investor. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to take your investing skills to the next level. Remember, the stock market may seem intimidating at first, but with patience, discipline, and a commitment to learning, anyone can unlock its incredible wealth-building potential. So what are you waiting for? Start your investing journey today and watch your financial dreams become a reality.